everyone, today I'm going to be showing you how to cover up shit skin. Basically, my skin is definitely far from perfect. I am a beauty therapist. There's so much I need to learn. Like, I'm not going, oh my god, I know everything. I'm not that up myself. Anyway, yeah, so unfortunately at the moment my skin is just freaking out because I've had a baby 4.5 months ago. We're just finishing up breastfeeding. She's weaned herself, so my skin is just like crazy hormonal, just everything at the moment. At the end of the day, if your hormones are being bitches, your hormones are being bitches and you have to deal with that. So I thought I would do a video on how to cover the crap skin. So my skin, I have large pores, breakouts along here, fine lines, all that. I include a couple of like helpful little tips that, you know, help minimize pores and help prevent creasing, all that good stuff. So if you want to know all of that information, you're in the right place. Just keep watching. So as you can tell, I'm filming an eye look at the moment, so I'm kind of doing 2 videos at once. That's why I look a little bit funky, but I do normally do my eyebrows and eyeshadow first. So what I'm going to start with is the Revlon Photoready primer on my problem areas, so where my pores are basically. Put it in. Just to be extra, I'm going to use the Mecca Max illuminating primer, and I'm just going to pop on the outer portions of my face. I have acne, I wouldn't say suffer. It's a pain in the ass, but I deal with it. I mean, I've had it since I was 12, I'm now 28, so ugh. Anyway, so you can see all around here, this is hormone related. And I've just got hyperpigmentation from breakouts, large pores, fine lines. It's just really great. My skin is really great, so great. I'm gonna use the Covergirl Ready Set Gorgeous Foundation in 210 because I am tan at the moment. I'm such a pale person, honestly. This is not dark, but I really do like it. And I'm gonna mix it with this one, the 24 Infallible 24-hour matte. Just because I feel like this one has a little bit more coverage, so I'm trying to get a little bit more coverage. So there's that. Alright. Pop that on. I kind of go through phases where I like using sponges or brushes. At the moment, I feel like brushes are working well, and then I kind of blend it out with the sponge. So pop it on and then just blend it in a little bit more with the sponge. Under the eyes to brighten up the area, I'm using the Mecca Undereye corrector. It's like that pinky tone one. I'm just gonna pop that underneath. I do have a baby, so I am tired most of the time. I have a 6-year-old as well. I still end up staying up late because it's like when you're a parent, you kind of have, that's the only time you get that's kind of kid-free and chill time. So even if you're like so freaking tired, you're just like, oh my god, I'm sitting on the couch and I'm chilling out and watching a movie because there are no children present, and I can do that. Now, because I'm tan, I just felt that's funny to say because I'm not really that tanned, but yeah. I'm gonna mix this with the Maybelline concealer in 15. Or is it 10? No, it's 10, sorry. I keep getting confused because 15 is actually lighter than 10 for some reason. gonna pop that on there. Just so I don't have like a ridiculous, oh, that's a good look. Now I find that the Revlon primer helps fill in my pores, and then by packing on a product like this I really don't have any problems. But I will show you guys a tip that is awesome in case you feel like your skin is looking like you put on your foundation and you can still see all these pores, especially around your nose. So all you need to do is get a dense, this is just a Sigma Precision Flat P80 brush, just anything that's dense. I'll go in with a bit of the concealer. I don't really need it, but just to show you. Well, that's a good look. Pushing it in. Okay. And then to conceal the rest of my face, I like brightening up this area and this area. So I'm going to take the Tarte Shape Tape, but I still will mix it with the other one because it's going to be so way too light. Oh yeah. So I'm going to use the brush again. I don't think I said what this was. Sigma Angled Kabuki. I really like Sigma. I remember back in the day it used to be just everywhere, like how Morphe is now. It used to all be about Sigma. I just totally got hair in my freaking concealer. What I'm going to do next is actually bake. So I'm going to use the RCMA No Color Powder. I'm going to take my beauty blender. Now first off, I'm just going to make sure there are no creases in my concealer. I really like to bake under my eyes, and I have these smile lines here. If I don't bake along here, it just gets lines of foundation during the day and it's really annoying. So I'm gonna pop that under the eye, pop that under here. Try to get on there. Oh yeah. What I'm gonna do while that's chilling out on my face is contour. I'm going to use my Anastasia contour kit. Okay, so while that's baking, I'm going to chill out on my phone, check Instagram. You should follow me on there if you haven't already. My name is just Catherine Waring, same as my channel name. Alright, it's probably been on for, I don't know, I wasn't timing it. I've got about 10 minutes. I'm just going to take my foundation brush. I'm just going to blend out the contour a little bit now that the other powders aren't on the skin. And there we go. So I'm going to go in with a highlight. I'm just taking my Sigma High Cheekbone Highlighter brush. Looks like that. And I'm going to use the Anastasia Glow Kit. This is the sugar one. I'm going to take Butterscotch, which is the gold shade. And then I'm going to take the Milani Luminoso blush, which is a nice coral shade. There we go. And then I'm going to top that with the Frat Boy blush by The Balm, which is a matte coral shade. So that's what my skin currently looks like. I'm going to finish my eyes and then I'll be back. I hope you found this video helpful. Please like, comment and subscribe. It would mean the world to me. And check me out on Instagram. It's just my name, Catherine Waring, spelled with 2 A's, not A and E. Kind of annoying. Yeah. Have a great day, guys. Bye. I use this. Why does it always... Oh my god. Powder everywhere. Oh my god. You know when you feel like your brain can't catch... Your mouth can't catch up with your brain? This is what I think about people. So, I'm using the Anastasia Beverly. Oh my god, I can't speak. Seriously, this is what I'm like just every day. All the time.